In this video, we are going to begin talking about the chain rule. Now, when I say we're going to begin talking about it, we're actually going to do some review of algebra that is necessary in order to be able to look at the chain rule. Because the chain rule is used when we are trying to find derivatives of compositions of functions, of composite functions. So let's recall composite functions. So recall a function f of g of x, which can be written in either of these two ways, is a composition of functions. That function f, that is our outside function. The function g is the inside function. And we are going to go through, we're going to create some compositions of functions. So let's find f of g of x. If f of x is x cubed, so our outside function is x cubed, g of x, our inside function, is 2x plus 3. So our outside function is x cubed, so it's something cubed, but we're replacing that x with this inside function with 2x plus 3. So that is our composite function. Next, we have, again, f of g of x. So our outside function is 4x to the 6th, but we're going to replace that x with the inside function. Our inside function is x squared plus x minus 2. So that is our composite function. Great. Now, let's look at f of g of x. Our outside function here is sine x, so we have sine as the outside function. We are replacing that x with the inside function, which is 3x minus 1. Next, f of g of x, so f is still the outside function, is x squared plus 5x. Now something that's a little bit tricky here is we have two different values of x that are floating around. So each one of those are going to be replaced with the inside function. Okay, so we have tangent of x as our inside function. Good. And finally, f of g of x. So f is still the outside function, so cosine is the outside function. The inside function is all of this, x squared plus 4x plus 7. So those are composite functions. Now, when we end up taking derivatives of these composite functions, really what we will start with is this. And we will really want to be able to go backwards and say, if I know this is the function, what's the outside function? So the outside function is the x cubed stuff. The inside function is the 2x plus 3 stuff. Here, our outside function is 4x to the 6th. Right? So 4x to the 6th is on the outside. Inside, we have x squared plus x minus 2. Here we have sine of some stuff. So the stuff is the inside function. The 3x minus 1 is inside. And the sine of that stuff is the outside, so sine x. Here, this one's trickier because we had two different values of x. Right? But we have tangent of x squared plus 5 tangent of x. So on the inside, we have a tangent of x. But that tangent of x is replacing an x in two different spots. Right? So the outside function is x squared plus 5x. Right? That's our outside function. And finally, our inside function here is x squared plus 4x plus 7. If we call that just an x, then our outside function is cosine x. All right, so in our next video, we are going to talk about the chain rule. We're going to present the chain rule, which is a way that we can take derivatives of composite functions. We will see you there.